All right, today we are just north of Anchorage on the road, me and Rob Cross here. We are headed to Talkeetna. Once we get there, we're gonna jump on a plane, head out to a glacier, and go for a little trek that will hopefully end with both of us standing on top of the Moose's Tube. All right, so we first have to stop at the ranger station to register and pick up our poop buckets. Now step 2 is going to Talkeetna Air Taxi and seeing if we can actually fly out to the glacier today. This is highly weather dependent and we'll just have to see what happens. Look at that. Oh, that's luxury. I want that out on the glacier.
Yeah. So their allowable is 250.
Are you gonna do it?
Oh, I will. I think there needs to be an official oath here.
It's possible that we're gonna make it out today, but right now they're still waiting on weather. There's a few teams ahead of us in the queue, but we're gonna go get some pizza and beer and yeah, just wait for the call.
We were advised to get drunk and full.
I will comply.
That's exactly what we're gonna do. We were sitting down, about to order food, and then we got the call to come back here. And so we rushed back and got dressed and are prepping for a departure. About an hour and a half later, we are still waiting and we're not sure we're gonna make it out today anymore, which is fine. Because
All
that's
hope is lost.
all. Yeah, Rob is ready to turn this into a drinking marathon.
Dressed and ready to go at 9 a.m. for tomorrow.
Not happening today.
The bunkhouse is, it's got like 16 bunks in it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
The weather is not good enough to get us onto the Root Canal, so we are going to move all of this under there and just spend the night destroying ourselves. All right, cheers to the first
Hard
day.
kind of climbing.
Yeah, exactly. All right, repile everything. Wait for the sky to open. How you doing? I'd pet you, but I'm allergic. So we are waiting until 10. It's 9 right now. They say just check back in at 10.
Okay.
And do whatever until then, kind of thing. So
This is how it stops.
what's that? Yeah, exactly. Well, we're back in the car. We're gonna be spending a lot of time in the car on this trip, I think. Go get another coffee.
Yeah, caffeine nut.
Yeah. Cheers. Let's get another one of them in there. All right, here we go. Just did a 10 o'clock check-in, and now we're been instructed to check in at 11. Yeah. 12 o'clock? Sweet. You said the weather is improving, and check back in at 12.
What a misting.
Are you building something?
Maybe like pile up some bags and sort of a teepee. I mean, we can workshop it.
Yeah. Next check-in is at 1. So, still a weather hold. We have a theme going here, which is if we cheers.
Oh, I was gonna say, where you drink coffee and I drink alcohol.
Perfect. Sweet. That is fresh. All right, after waiting for about 24 hours, we just got word that there's a clearing and we're gonna be able to go here, it seems.
Sure you can tell.
We loaded up and now we're waiting again. Kind of makes us think that maybe we lost our weather window.
So there's a cloud over it. There's some light winds, so hopefully it'll move around. So we're paused for right now for the canal.
mostly set up here. Cook tent built. Got this tent built. Rob's in here all cozy already.
Yeah, going to bed.
And there's our objective right there. This is ham and eggs, this line right here, going up to the top of Moose's Tooth. While Rob's cooking, I'm just gonna kind of try and prep our gear for maybe climbing tomorrow. I just think we can't know if the weather is gonna ever be this good again, so I think we'll just always be ready to go.
We'll take it.
It's like 4:30 in the morning right now. You probably can't see, but there's 2 teams up there right now. Try to snap some pictures of them. They've decided to seize the day, and we have decided to give them some space and make this more of a warm-up climb for ourselves. All right, we are going to do like the first pitch of this, I think. First couple pitches, just go and play on it. Just try and make it a mellow day since we came in late last night. This is an 18-pitch climb, so tomorrow maybe, if this weather holds, we'll look at trying to pull the whole thing off.
Nice styrofoam snow.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you got out of there just in time.
I really
You would
did.
have been dumped on.
Mouthful of spin.
Yeah. This stuff kind of freaks me out. I don't know if it should freak me out or not, but the plan was just a couple of pitches, but we're being seduced in an upward direction here. But the sun keeps poking through, so it's tricky because you know you're gonna wind up back in the tent, and the sky will open up, and those guys will come back reporting an amazing summit. Unfortunately, I did not record it, but coming up the last pitch, which was somewhat steep ice, a spindrift came down and just doused me. I was hanging on by one axe. I'd just gotten a screw in, but I hadn't clipped it. And I was just pressing my head into the wall. There's so much snow. It was like hard to breathe, and it went on for felt like 30 seconds, maybe longer, I don't know, but I'm sure it happens to experienced climbers all the time, but that kind of rocked me.
That was ugly.
I don't want to be the one to call it. I want Rob to call it, but Rob isn't. Rob wants to keep going up. I'm just like, fuck.
Rob's too stupid to call it.
I don't want to call it, but I just fucking call it. That's what's happening right now. There are 2 teams that are probably at the top by now. There's a team behind us that's they're gonna pass us in a second. They're gonna go for it, but maybe it's the wrong call. Maybe it's our last chance to get up on day 1 here, but yeah, I guess I'm spooked, and yeah, it sucks, but don't know. Maybe this is our only weather window, but what the hell do I know? Anyway, so we're gonna go down. Of course, when you're back to base camp after bailing, you start to see the sun and the tops of the mountains and all this beautiful scenery.
Notice things without really thinking about them. Milo was not a particularly good meditator. He cracked open a beer and watched the sun come up. Meanwhile, as always, the more he tried to think of nothing, the more he thought of ridiculous, noisy shit like his big toe or France. The shark welcoming his ancient indifference.
70%.
Yeah, it's just snow in the forecast. It seems like we're gonna do a weather check and see what happens, but Can't climb in this.
Yeah.
I mean, we're literally watching it like slough off every like 10 minutes. So
Yeah, we're out of whiskey, but we still have Cheez-Its, so there's a light at the end of the tunnel.
there is. I decided to walk a little outside of our camp to give you an idea how deep this snow is. Yeah, we're really waiting for this snow to stop, and then for a day where it's not snowing, so that snow can kind of just settle, and then we would consider climbing the next day. I think that's great.
Yeah. It's hot. Oh man, it's so weird. I got this one so easily last time. Don't look at me. I'm like drooling. You're gonna take my master's degree back.
They can't do that,
They
can
should
they?
do that.
Oh, it's okay. And just like that, we have moved out. We are moving everything to the airstrip, and all teams but one are leaving. So the weather forecast turned in our disfavor, and we are going to rip on out of here without having climbed the Moose's Tooth, but it will probably still be there for years to come, and even probably beyond our lifespan. So
It's just gonna get taller.
yeah, it's getting taller as this glacier melts.